everyone, it's time for Drop in Craft, and this is my favorite season of the year because we get to go apple picking soon. So before all the apples are ready, we're going to make our own apples, and we're going to make them out of strips of paper. So what you need is red construction paper or yellow or green, whatever color apples you like. I chose red. And then I made some leaves and a stem, and this is the easy thing. We're gonna hole punch all the strips together. So you need a hole puncher, you need a scissor to cut the strips, and then we have these, don't know what they're called. They're like little things that little gold things, and you're gonna stick them on top. So what I did first was I had 9 strips of red paper, and I put them all together. This might be a little more than 9, but then I took 2 leaves, because most of the time there's 2 leaves on an apple, and I put it on top of there. And then I took my stem, because the stem holds the apples to the tree, and I hole punched through everything. And I'm hoping that it works for me. I hole punched through everything like that, and it does not work for me, so I'm gonna do these. I'm gonna see if I have 9 of these. I may have a couple more. So I'm just gonna take those out. And I'm gonna hole punch over there, and then I'm going to hole punch the bottom. So we have a hole punch on the top and a hole punch on the bottom. Then I'm going to take my leaves and my stem like that, and I'm going to hole punch them together like that. And then I'm going to connect everything with my fastener. That's what it's called, a fastener. It took me a little while to figure that out. And I got my fastener going through my stem, my 2 leaves, and my strips of paper, and then I'm going to close it up, and then I'm going to take another fastener, and I'm going to put it through these holes, which is going to be the bottom of my apple, like that. So it's going to look like this. And then all you need to do is you need to separate your red strips of paper, just like that, till it becomes a circle. Like I said, you can make them in any color you want. And what's fun about this is when we get a little more into October, you can make pumpkins out of this also. So you can have a pumpkin patch and an apple patch. So I'm just gonna open all these up like this. I'm gonna take the stem, fold it up so it stands up, and then I'm going to take my leaves, kind of separate them, and there is my apple. So now I'm making a whole little apple bunch. We will see you next week. Bye.